as the official representative of Mayor Raisa Treñas, I am former City Councilor Jay Treñas, currently serving as the Executive Assistant to Mayor Inday Raisa Treñas. I would like to first, mga pulling card ang akong nakuha. I would like to acknowledge the presence of course, our City Tourism, Ma'am Junel de Vinagracia. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Ma'am Jenny Lynn Cordero, palapakan din natin, representing sa atong tourism. Ang atong RD is busy, no? Especially when the Christmas season arrives, no? Busy gid, no? Amo man ang atong partner gid for culture and the arts sa Ilomoca, Ma'am JP Libuon Tolentino. Palapakan din natin. I consider her my first wife because we got married in a movie during the pandemic which was directed by now her husband, Dil Tolentino. Good morning once again. Maayong agagid sa tanan. On behalf of Mayor Raisa Treñas for the Weddings, Travel and Lifestyle Expo 2025, welcome gid diri sa aton Festive Mall, Iloilo. When Mayor Raisa told me to join you on behalf of her today, she also told me to go around and visit all the booths. And honestly, I am very excited because I am really looking forward, not to get married because I already got married, but to seeing what each of our exhibitors have prepared for the viewing public. So I hope I get to meet all of you later after this event. And before anything else, Mayor Raisa Treñas, together with the city government, wants to extend her gratitude to PMM Multimedia Services for bringing this wonderful expo to Iloilo City. Palapakan gid natin. Let's give a round of applause to PMM Multimedia Services. Sir Paolo, thank you very much for bringing this event to Iloilo City. And of course, thank you to the Festive Walk Mall Iloilo for welcoming everyone and giving our exhibitors a beautiful space for the next few days. And to our exhibitors here today, thank you very much for participating. We know that you have put in your time and resources to make this event meaningful. This expo would not be possible without all of you. So please, let's give them all our round of applause, please. Palapakan natin gid ang tanan nga nag-participate sa aton nga event. And to the people of Iloilo City here in attendance, we see comments online saying, sana all.